Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Today also we are going to discuss about Vedic maths. So in this we are doing multiplication series. So we saw different kind of questions, different kinds of methods to solve multiplication problem in an easy way. So in last class I discussed about how to use our multiplier digit as 5 and how we can do in a simple way. So now here in this video we are discussing about series of 9. Okay, so what do you mean by series of 9 means the multiplier should contain only 9s. Okay, so like any number of 9s, 1 9 or 2 9s like 99, or we can have 3 9s. Okay, so any number, it's a series of only 9s. So then how we can do easily, so we will see that thing in this video. So let's start the topic. So we'll take one example, 54 times 9. So here actually I won't multiply with the 9. What I will do, I will just multiply this 54 with the 10, then I'll subtract 54. So whatever the answer here I'll get the same answer if I do 54 times 9. Okay, so why so? Because the concept behind this topic is very simple. So without considering 9, what we are doing, so we are just in place of 9 we are place the value 10 minus 1. So 10 minus 1 is equal to 9, right? So just we need to place that value here in place of 9, and we need to do rest of the thing as it is. That is you need to multiply 54 times 10, and then we need to subtract 54 times 1, which is 54. Okay, so that's a basic concept here. Okay, and we will get the both the answers same, whether we are doing times 9 or we are doing multiplication 10, then we need to subtract the same number, we will get the same answer. Okay, so let's see, if it is a smaller number it would be bit we won't see much difference, but when keep on the values are increasing, then this method is bit easier compared to our normal or general method. Okay, so let's take one more example, 235 times 99. So here we need to append how many zeros? 2 zeros, because the 9 is very close to 100, which is 100 minus 1. Okay, so that's our basic concept. So now subtract it using our Vedic maths method. 2 3 and 5 minus 2 is 3, but because of borrow combination you need to write 2, and then 0 plus 7, but we need to write 6, then 0 plus 5 5. Okay, so how simple is it, isn't it? So yeah, so that's why these methods are very easy to use and very simple. Of course we should know the basic concepts first. Okay, then we can use these easy methods to get our answers so quickly. Okay, so let's do few more examples. Okay, so our next example, so I'll try to take some more bigger values than this. Okay, so 157 times 99. So here also we need to append 2 zeros, 157 00 minus 157. So whenever we are writing 157 we should careful. Okay, so that's this is a point where we need to focus more. So if we do this one correctly, then rest of the things are very easy to follow. Okay, so 157 7 minus 1 6, but because of borrow combination is just 5, and then it's because of borrow combination is just 4, and then 3 as it is. Okay, so that's our answer. So let's proceed our next question. Our next question, example 2 3 4 5 times 999. So how to do this question? This is also very simple. Just append 2 zeros because we have only 2 9s, and then subtract 2 3 4 5, then 2 3 4 minus 2 is 2, and we don't have any borrow combination here, so write down 2, and then 5 minus 3, which is 2, but we have borrow combination, that is 1, and then 0 plus 6 6, but 5, and then 0 plus 5 5. So that's our answer, so simple. Even though the numbers look bigger, we are able to solve very easily and quickly. So let's do our next question. So my next question, 2324 times. So now I'm taking 999. So here we need to multiply with the 1000 and then we need to subtract this value. So when we multiply with the 1000, then the value is 2324000 minus 2324. So we need to subtract carefully. Okay, so when we subtract, 232 is same, but 4 minus 2 is 2, but we should write 1 because of this borrow combination. And then 0 plus 7 is 7, but we need to write 6 because of this borrow combination. Okay, and then 0 plus 8, but we should write 7 because of this borrow combination. And then we have 0 plus 6, we need to write as it is 6. Okay, so that's our answer, 2321676. Okay, let's see our next example. Four, 5, 6, 2, 8 times 99. So again we need to multiply with the 100. So just append 2 zeros to the above value. Then we need to subtract the same value, 2, 5, 6, 2, 8. So 4, 5, 6 minus 4 is 2. But here we will write 1 because of borrow combination. Then 2 plus 5, 7. We will write 7 because we don't have any borrow combination. Then 8 minus 6 is 2, but we need to write 1. And then 0 plus 8, but 7. And then 0 plus 8, which is 0 plus 2, 2. Okay, so that's our answer. So let's see one more time what's the concept behind this. So just concept is very simple. We just need to multiply with the 10, then we need to subtract with the same number, because we are considering this series of 9s as 10 minus 1, 100 minus 1 and 1000 minus 1. Okay, so just multiply with the multiples of 10, 100, 1000, and then we need to subtract the same number. Okay, so that's the basic concept. So let's proceed one more example, the last example. Okay, so if you still got any doubts, all the doubts will be clear with this example. Let's consider some big question. Okay, so my next example is 7845 times 999. So how to do this question? Just append 3 zeros because of 999. How many 9s will be there? We need to add that many zeros and then subtract 7845. So the answer is 784. Then we need to remove this one 4 and make it 3, and then we have 5 plus 3, which is 8, but we need to write 7, and then 0 plus 2, 2, but we need to write 1, and then 0 plus 6, again we need to write down 5, and the last one is again 5 because we don't have any combination. So the answer is 7837155. Okay, so that's it for today's class. I hope you got all the points. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.